I've been following up with Mrs. Peterson for the past few weeks. She's making some progress with her recovery from the stroke, but there are a few concerns. She's been struggling with memory recall and seems very withdrawn. Her daughter mentioned that she's become more anxious about leaving the house.
That's concerning. Has she mentioned anything specific that's causing the anxiety?
She hasn't directly said much, but it's clear that she's worried about her ability to manage things on her own outside the house. I've noticed she gets overwhelmed even with small tasks, like going to the local shop. She's also been having difficulty keeping track of her medications, which worries me.
That's understandable, considering her cognitive changes. Have you had any discussions about community support or additional home care?
Yes, we're in the process of arranging a home care worker to assist her, especially with medication management. But I'm still concerned about the ongoing anxiety. It might be helpful to consider a referral for a psychological evaluation, perhaps to address her fears about independence.
I agree. A referral would be useful. Let's proceed with that and see how she responds. Mihira, I want to take a moment to explain what to expect after your procedure so you can feel prepared and comfortable. It's quite common to experience some minor effects as your body recovers. You might feel a little soreness or discomfort at the site, and it's also normal to feel somewhat drowsy or tired for several hours afterward. This is simply your body's natural response to the process, and these feelings should pass. To ensure your safety and a smooth recovery, we will have a specific plan in place. First, you will spend some time in a recovery area where our team will observe you closely until we are confident you are ready to go home. For your journey home and the rest of the day, it is very important that a responsible adult accompanies you. Because of the lingering effects of the medication, you must not drive, operate machinery, or make any important legal or personal decisions for the next 24 hours. Please plan to rest quietly at home. We are here to guide you through every step, and your well-being is our greatest priority.